One of the issues you've got in the modern world that we live in is that you really do need to sell across multiple platforms. And when you sell across multiple platforms, and I won't pick any names, but let's just call them Platform A and Platform B, and we'll stick in Platform C for good measure. So let's say you're selling on Platform A and you've got a product on there and you've got 5 of them in stock, okay? And you list the product on Platform A and you've got 5 in stock, so you put 5 in stock and everything's good. And then you add Platform B and you've got 5 in stock, so you list 5 in stock and everything's good. And Platform C comes along and you list on there as well and everything's good. And everyone's happy in the world. But actually, you've now got 15 for sale. So you've got 5 on there, 5 on there, and 5 on there. You've only got 5. So let's say something sells on Platform A. Well, what would normally happen if you weren't using a system like Despatch Cloud is you would need to log into Platform B and C and deduct the stock by one manually, which obviously at small scale is fine, you can do that. But it doesn't scale. So what we can do is we can automatically download the orders from each platform as they come in, and then automatically send stock update requests to the connected platforms. So when something sells on A, B and C automatically update within a few minutes.